Help support the companies that support our community. After I finished sanding it, I took it off the lathe and over to the bandsaw and cut the nubs off, and then just used a little sanding pad to clean up the ends of it there. The bat is out of maple. I picked the blank up at Woodcraft. Here's the diagram I went off of, but if you're going to change the length on it, it's all going to change. So the reason I made the bat, somebody in the comments said that a little leak came and they wanted to show the kids how to make their own bats. So I thought that'd be cool if they had a bat that they actually made. So if you're going to make them shorter, all that's going to change on that diagram. But if you're making 32 inch, I would go off of that. Feels good. We ran over to the school and ran a few balls through it. The handle there, I did the Transfast wood dye, and the reason I had it all taped off is because I was going to spray it and I didn't have any black paint, so I just went ahead and dyed it. I knew it was going to bleed through a little bit on the tape because that dye penetrates into the wood, so that's why I put that little band on there. And then for the top, I just used maple stain on that and put my sticker over it, and I sprayed the whole thing with 5 coats of the matte clear. So it seems to be holding up pretty well. I ran a couple of dozen balls through it. Well, there were probably a lot more misses than actual contact, but you can see that at the end of the video. If you would like a chance to win this bat, head over to Instagram. The link is down below in the description. Follow us over there. I just put a picture of this up. Leave a comment below that says Field of Dreams, and I will put your name in the hat. We'll do a random drawing for it. Sorry, I can't do overseas on this one. I don't know what it would cost to ship a baseball bat over there. But so US only, sorry about that. But head on over there, leave a comment below if you'd like a chance to win it. All right, till next time, take care.